Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone touchscreen is not responding, lagging, or acting on its own, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you to fix iPhone touchscreen issues. Step 1. Clean the screen. First, clean your screen properly. Dirt, oil, or moisture can cause touch problems. Use a soft microfiber cloth and gently wipe the screen. Also, remove any screen protector if it's cracked or low quality. Step 2. Restart your iPhone. Next, restart your iPhone. This helps fix temporary software glitches. Press and hold the power button, slide to power off, wait 10 seconds, and turn it back on. Step 3. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Apple often fixes touchscreen bugs through software updates. Step 4. Free up storage. Low storage can slow down your phone. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Select iPhone Storage. Review the storage usage. Delete unused apps, photos, or videos to free up space. If the issue continues, it may be a hardware problem. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.